Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily install Audacity in your Windows. So basically, Audacity is a world's popular audio editing and recording app where you can edit or can upload music, okay? So how to download this? Just simply go to Google Chrome and then search for Audacity and you'll be redirected here. So once you are being redirected here, just simply click this yellow bar icon and then it will now start saying to download, okay? So let's continue to see more about this Audacity application. Here in Audacity, you can choose a lot of options here. It has this feed, sound effects, and catalog. Here under the feed, it contains a lot of sound designer, sound creator that could, recommended for you. You could you could listen it. Their music, you can listen it and you can also follow this user if you love them. Just simply click and follow, okay? So next is the sound effects. Here you can choose effects that you could add in your recorded music. So here it has the stop sound effects, BBC sound effect, meme sound effect, funny, gun sound, train sound, goofy sound effect, police sound effect. So here you can creatively add sound effects, add elements in your music. So it's just so amazing about these features. It has a lot of good features actually. Here below, you can also add annoying sound effects. So everything about this application is just so good. And one more good thing about this is you can also upload your music, your recorded music. Just simply click any folder here which contains your music and other audio files and then select that and then click on open and you will be redirected here. It will be uploaded in this Audacity application. And one more last thing about it is it consume a lesser space in your computer. It has this 43.9 MB size only in your computer, so it will not put a heavy load in your computer. So once you download it, just double tap it to open and then install to run the Audacity application and enjoy editing, recording using Audacity. Okay, so hopefully this video adds on your knowledge and hopefully you learn something from it. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell one to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching everyone.